Hello everyone, this is Jagtar Shergill. Today my topic is the customer always right? So sometimes the customer is not always right. So it happens many times in many fields, in restaurants, in other businesses, and in my business as insurance broker. Few days ago, after lunch, I went back to my office again. Mostly after lunch, we have very busy schedule. I seen one email looking for insurance quote for auto, so I did some work on it before I called the client, and then made the call that you called for insurance quote. Client said, "Did I?" Then I say, yes, I have your email and this is your name and this vehicle. They say, okay, go ahead. What's your question? I say, yeah, I seen that there's another driver in the policy. Is that driver will be in the car driving or, or that driver have another policy somewhere else, an own vehicle? Client said, why are you asking this question? Where you get this uh, number from and why are you talking about that driver? I know that driver is very important part in my life, but now I am a driver by myself and going to get my own car. So I say, of course, then if you are getting insurance, I can give it to you. And if that driver has his own insurance, then that's fine. He's just yes, he has own insurance. So then we did some few more questions, and after that, I gave him at the court. So from the get go, I know that it's going to be a difficult call, but that's true. So once I get the quote, say how much? I said it's about $171 per month uh, for your car insurance. The client said it's too much. You are the very expensive guy. I don't think I should spend any more time with you, and hung up on me. I said, what the heck? I spent almost half an hour uh, preparing and making a call and taking my time from busy schedule. Most of the people call me for insurance quote, even though the quote is not always cheap or sometimes be cheap too. That's why I'm in the business. I do write business almost every day, and uh, people say thank you very much for your time. I appreciate it, and I'll get back to you later. Or they said we have better rates. Even I advise them if they have better rate, stay with that company because I will only get your business if I can give you better rates, better service. So that's my promise. So anyway, so that's my take on it. So we do have to make the customer feel right sometime, even though they are not right. So we have to agree with them and then go on with our argument. And it's not in insurance, in any business. You cannot say the customer you're wrong. I never said in my call that you are wrong. So you're intimidating. So I was still very respectful and finished my quoting to that person until the person hung up on me. And that's okay, that's part of life. So don't be worry, customer is not always right and not sometimes we are not good for the customer. So that's my take on it. So if you are in a business, insurance, or any other field dealing with customers every day, we got to have a thick skin to deal with some difficult calls. That's my message. Thanks for watching. So please stay tuned to my other videos. Watch other videos on saving rates on insurance, becoming an insurance broker, becoming financial advisor, and if you're looking for a job in the field, independent on commission, and want to make some side gig, give me a call at 416-831-0215 or shergill.insurance at gmail.com. And I also do commercial truck insurance we specialize in. So if you are a owner of trucking company, give me a call. We have the best rates in Ontario and best packages. And also personal property, condominium insurance, small business or auto and home personal insurance, professionals, doctors, engineers, truck drivers, teachers, nurses, and business owners. we have better packages for personal, auto, and home insurance. So give me a call at 416-831-0215. I hope I will answer all your questions once you call me. And even if you have a better rate, I'll be the first one to tell you stay where you are. And based on my understanding and doing the quote, so if you have best rate, I will tell you that. So I never try to grab somebody's business if I cannot save some money. I will only write your business if I give you better rate and better service. All free of cost for getting a quote. So if your renewal coming, so give me a call. And I have thousands of clients served in my 20 years in general insurance service, and over 30 years in life insurance, critical illness, investments, disability insurance, and mortgage insurance. So thanks for watching. So please stay tuned and watch my other videos, and all the best, and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.